Hello and welcome to the video walk around of the 2014 registration Mercedes-Benz A45 AMG 5-door hatchback. Fantastic car, finished in bright blue metallic with the grey and black Alcantara leather sports interior. Great specification car, this one. It's got the very important to have aero pack on it. So you can see from the styling, it's got Distronic cruise control. You can see the black fins around the front bumpers. It's got the 19-inch black and polished alloy wheels. The nice black diffuser up the side and on the rear. Big spoiler there as well. Lovely clean car, this one. Privacy glass as well. And it also has the panoramic sunroof in there for good measure. It's a stunning car. It's one, actually, we've purchased this from a good customer of ours. He purchased the car up in Scotland and it's been maintained by Bells of Coldstream, currently with 23,557 on the miles. Now we're looking around the car. The bodywork's absolutely immaculate. It's got, everything's all present and correct. In the back there's the lock and wheel nut bolts. There's the tyre mobility system. It's a non-smoker inside as well. It's all lovely and clean and tidy. That colour's fab. It's a little bit different. The last one we had was the grey. It's a bit different to look at. So let's have a look. Let's look inside. Right. Cars for sale at Russell, Jennings and Morpeth. Again, we're an independent used car dealer based in Morpeth, Northumberland. As you can see from here, interior again all nice and clean. It's got 3 proper seat belts in the back. The outers are red, which is nice. The Alcantara leather combination with the contrast stitching, and you've got Isofix anchor points for the outer seats there if you've got child seats to go in. Nice sports seats as well. You can see there AMG tailored carpets, and the Alcantara leather combination continues into the door. Look at the front sports steering wheel with the paddle shift gear change. We have automatic headlights, which are xenon. The steering wheel's all multifunction. It's part leather and part Alcantara. As you look at the front seats, as we zoom round here, they are red, again red and black combination, and AMG embossed centres there. Gear selection from the centre there. It's got the map pilot navigation system, heated front seats as well. Actually Recaro seats in the front of this one, which is absolutely great. So going to take a little look around the front again. Got some great funding options available on this car. We can do up to 4 years PCP. We have a 5-year hire purchase available, and again, if you're looking to part exchange a car, please give us a call, 01670 515 055. On the topic of that, we're open Monday to Friday 9 till 6, and then 9:30 till 5 on a Saturday as well. Based in Morpeth, Northumberland, just north of Newcastle upon Tyne. Again, we've got some service history here for the vehicle. It's actually had 1 service. We'll be servicing the car before it goes out. All the handbook packs there. And again, this was the last service it had, which was at Coldstream, this one. So it's had, where's that? Next service due at 25,561, so it's due now. The last service carried out was at 13,651 there, and it's had a B service at that point. Again, other features I like is the carbon fibre effect across the middle there, and the red vents. It all ties it in nicely together. All the wheels in good order. They're nice with the upgraded wheels as well. Those 19s when you set the car off. Let's take a look inside. Back to the interior. Jump in here. It all flows nicely. You can see nice AMG logo. Might have just missed that on the dash there just as we started the car, or just opened the door I should say. It's got dual zone climate control. It comes with 2 sets of keys as well. Even look on the keys, a little bit of detail for you on the back there. There's the AMG logo, if I can show you that there as well. Just going to start the car and you've got to hear this thing. It's absolutely stunning. Got a lovely sound with bangs and pops as well. Now we'll turn the system on and off from here, and very easy system to use. Just to the bottom here you've got your selection selector here, so we go up and down the levels on here. So audio, now for hit audio we've got disc, USB storage, media interface and Bluetooth audio. So if you've got Amazon Prime Music on your phone or iTunes, you can play it through there. Telephone, Bluetooth, telephony, been around a while but really good to have. And the Navi, it works on the Map Pilot, and you can have, it's like having a TomTom in the centre of your dash. Dead easy to use, nice colour screen as well. And that's all adjusted from here. Back to the menu. I'm going to come out of there. So if I go to the system side as well, you can bring up an analog clock if you wish. It's all very easy to use. And then back to audio, which is the main one you're going to be in. We can go at the bottom there. You've got the USB storage as well, media interface, etc., which we've seen. And you've got your radio sections. So if we go to radio, and it's got DAB as well as FM, medium wave, etc. as well. So we've covered the service history. Again, little bits of detail which I really like about the car is you've got a nice AMG embossed gear selector here. It's down to drive, and you have to see from here you've got your manual and your sport mode here. You can also access race mode from here as well. Simply press that button there, pull the two paddles together. I'm going to struggle with two hands here, and it accesses race mode, and that gives you launch control, etc. as well. So what a car is all we can say on this. Please come down and see it. It's based in Lorth, Northumberland, as we say. Appointments are advisable on this car. Quite a rare beast with the aero kit on. So please get in touch. My name's Russell, 01670 515 055. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it informative, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.